Good morning, friends. It is Vlogmas day number 7. I'm trying to get ready, so don't mind the way I look. I rewarmed my coffee, my second cup, and we're gonna go have some fun today. I say we because it's just you and me. So let's go have some fun. I need to finish getting ready. So the place I'm going to today opens up at 9. It is 7 o'clock now. I'm hoping to leave maybe 7:45-ish. We need to go get gas and we're gonna hit the Houston traffic. So excited. Say good morning. Okay, so I'm finally ready. I'm gonna eat some breakfast, some yogurt. It's not much of a breakfast, but yogurt. And it looks like it's an hour and 12 minutes to get there, so I really hope this trip is worth it. All the hype for years that I'm like, I gotta go, and but I'm gonna try to behave. And if I see stuff I like, I need to have willpower. Remember I said if I find a rose bush, a yellow one, and a small bougainvillea, and seeds. I mean, seeds aren't that expensive. I know it can add up if you buy a lot of seeds, but that's not my intention to buy a lot of seeds, but we'll see. All right, we're on our way. I got a snack. Ooh, a big water. Hopefully this does not take over an hour. So let's go shopping. Just want to add a little something to this video. So I do apologize in advance. When I did go shopping at the garden center, I did not have a microphone or a headset with a mic. So you might not hear me very well sometimes. I do apologize in advance. I do, however, when I'm showing the plant, if there is a tag with it or a sign of what it is and about it, I do try to show that. So, thank you. I think I'm gonna get one of these. That would look really good in our one corner. So much for discipline. That's kind of going out the window real fast. This looks really different. It says it's Aztec sweet herb. Look at the Cuban oregano. It's real big leaves and soft, fuzzy leaves. Oh wow, look at all these fish. Yellow comet. Oh, they're gorgeous. So big. Beautiful. Oh, look at them. Look at them, they come up to you. Come on. These are butterfly koi. Oh. And then just regular koi. I'm not getting very far right now. I'm by one of their koi palms, and it's just so beautiful and so peaceful. I could be here all day, guys. It's very peaceful. Makes me want to put another pond in my backyard. Let me show you. This is so peaceful here. It's really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Look at them. Come up to you. They'll come up. Okay, guys, you have to see these next. Look at how huge these are. Oh my God. Look at how beautiful they are. They are huge. Huge. Oh my gosh. Hope I don't drop my phone in the water. That was so bad. all day. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm really thinking of buying one of these. These are different. With the little flowers. And here's a yellow rose. I don't know. We'll see if they have other ones. So I did ask about the yellow roses if they had any. And there is this one, which she said the bloom does not look this dark. So I could give it a try. Lucy, maybe that's a little lighter. And look at all the mushrooms. They're so cute. I think I'm gonna get one of these mints. Yes, I got a mint problem, apparently. These are different too. Does it have a name? Something? Oh yeah, okay, hold on. Let me try to get it apart. Hold on. I'm not even gonna say that. It's pretty. Okay, that was a good time. So, I found my yellow rose bush. I don't know what I got. These different herbs, and then I did get a fish. So I don't know if you can see him in there, but he's in there, and he's got a beautiful tail. So definitely thank you for shopping with me today. It was fun. Overall, I was happy with it's definitely a very unique place, unique plants. If you love fish, this is definitely the place to be. Fish or water features. I did think it would be bigger. I don't know. I just think because I'm so used to Ma's nursery. This is Nelson's. Nelson and Water Gardens Nursery. It's is this considered? I think it's considered Katy, Texas. But it's beautiful. I've waited 15 years to come here. And it originally was because of the fish, and then because of the plants, and I wanted to try something different for a change. I love you, Lowe's, but I wanted to try something different, and very nice place. Very nice place, very reasonably priced, and they have beautiful fish. So, thank you for watching. We had a great time. Hope you subscribe. We'll see you later.